it's Meggin Anderson, and it is day 1 of our Clean Eating Ab Challenge. And this is the first day of our new ab workout. So it's kind of exciting to be able to share this with you guys because this is the format that I use when I teach my live classes. We are going to have 4 exercises. They're going to be 30 seconds apiece. We're going to do 3 rounds of them, and then we'll do a power move at the end, which is 1 minute long. Now, the whole thing is about 8.5 minutes, so you can kind of plan accordingly. And I've tried to break it up so that every single day we'll do something different, something new. So this is a really cool add-on to any workout that you already have, or you could do it by yourself. String them all together during the week. Pick or play with them how you like, all right? So I'll review each exercise with you before we do it, and then I'll show you some modifications. And like I said, we'll do 3 rounds, and then we'll do the power move to finish it. Okay, guys, ready? I'm going to start the music. All right, here we go. Make sure you have your water nearby and a mat. Our first exercise is going to be the rope climb. Hear the horn, here we go. Start flat on your back, and you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, slide slowly down. 1, 2, 3, 4, slide. It's a slow and controlled move. You're focusing on keeping your core tight, your back flat against the ground. Okay, our next move, we're going to flip it over for Diamondbacks. On your stomach. You're making a diamond shape with your fingertips. You're pulling to each side. You're getting your chest up as high as you can here, okay? Pick your feet up off the floor to challenge yourself. Pull. Squeeze your back. Squeeze your shoulders. Okay, we've got scissor claps. Flip it over on your back. You're clapping underneath. Your shoulder blades are off the floor. The higher you are with your shoulders and the lower you are with your feet, that's more of a challenge. To modify, you can bring your tap down, okay? 1 more, our ski abs. Move this out of the way. We're gonna start back and bring it to each side. Right and left, alternating. Ski abs, okay? Make sure you come right out into that plank each time you go up, okay? You can also walk it up and back, okay? Go at your level, your fitness, right? Hear the horn? Okay, we have 30 seconds. Get your water, and we're gonna do it again. Now you know what we're doing, so you can improve this time, right? We're gonna start with the rope climb. Ready? Let's bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide it back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly. Keep that core engaged. Keep that core tight. One more. All right, flip it over for Diamondbacks. Right out in front of you. Get those feet up if you can. You're pulling that chest up as high as you can go, according to your flexibility. Okay? Squeeze. We're working those back abs here. Don't forget to breathe. All right, flip it over again. Scissor claps. I like to come up high and challenge myself and get my feet as low as I can. get up to clap, more of a challenge. Modify for your fitness ability, right? Okay, what's the last one? Ski abs, here we go. If you can't go this fast, you can slow it down. It's more important to have the form than the speed, okay? Execute. Working those obliques. Keep going. Almost there. There's the siren. Ready for the next round? Last round. At the end of this round, we're going to have a power move. We're actually going to get up and stand up for the last one, okay? Get your water, towel off. We're going to start back with those rope climb. Ready? Here we go. Challenge yourself this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide it down. Can you go all the way back without hitting the floor? Engage that core, right? Almost go all the way to the bottom, and then come back. Feel that core tighten every time. Woo-hoo-hoo. Flip it over for Diamondbacks. Okay, feet up off the floor this time. Challenge yourself. Squeeze. Squeeze. Come on, you got this. We're almost there. Couple more. Last one. All right. Scissor claps. Get those shoulders up this time. Right? Come on, you can do this. The further you clap, the more you're engaged. Let's get shredded this week. All right, ski abs, moving this out of the way this time. Let's blast this out. This is the last one before the power move. Okay? Your ability. Slow it down if you have to. Step it out if you have to. There's the power move. Ready? We are doing switch kicks. I'm going to turn to the side so you guys can see. Full minute of switch kicks. You are bringing those knees up to the belly button. If you can't do the kick, then just bring the knees up until you can get that. Knee first, then kick it out. Arms are at your shoulders. Elbows are tucked in. Core is tight. Come on, you got this. Halfway, 30 seconds. Keep it going. Knees higher. Get those knees up there. Keep that core engaged. Almost there. You did it. Awesome job, guys. Make sure you cool it down. You could probably find a stretch on my YouTube page. Otherwise, have a great rest of the day.